Nagbabalik po ang Kaya Mo Yan sa DZRH at si kasamang Emer. Ipakikilala na ang ating mga special guest for today.
Yes.
Magandang topic ito, Emer.
Oh, yes. Siyempre, parangalan muna natin bago ibigay natin yung guest. Ang Lasal Green Hills ay in-honor na naman itong Silver Debat 79 dahil sa edukasyon din. Tumulong na naman sila, nagbigay ng computer sa mga PDLs. Ano ba yung PDLs? Persons Deprived of Liberty. Siyempre, sa preso, kailangan may laptop para Ako, maraming salamat again. Lasal Green Hills Batch 79 Silver de Association Inc. Ang gagwapo niyan.
Saka ang daming natutulungan nung yan, ha? Sipin mo yung isa sa mga staff ni King Raul.
Yes.
Nag-enroll pala.
O, tama. Totoo. Marami nag-enroll po. Kaya meron tayong segment.
Kaya alam mo, Cory, kung meron kang staff na hindi nakapagtapos,
lapit sa Ortigas,
at gustong makakuha ng additional education, even at their age, i-endorse namin dun sa pangalan nun,
Yes, sa ating Lasal Alternative Education natin. Merong night school, merong ALS, merong TVET, iba-iba pong programa.
Lahat online ito? Online? Parang sa kalaman ng ating...
Online ba, Emer? O napupunta doon?
Of course, face-to-face. Bukas na po ang struktura ng Lasal. Dati pandemic. Oo, ngayon po.
Okay.
Yung mga may night school.
Libre?
Bayad ng system. Ng school system.
College ba ito? College?
High school hanggang K-12.
High school. Yeah. Marami kasi, Cory, hindi na nagkatapos ng high school.
Yon. At ngayon, syempre.
At nag-venture na sa Metro Manila, naging household health.
Yes.
Ngayon, itong program na ito will help those who wish to finish high school.
Yon, picture. Diba? Ayan, sabay na natin. Kaya ngayon, edukasyon, nandito na.
Yeah.
Paano, partner? Wala bang online? Para sa mga gustong sumali na hindi taga-Manila.
Yan. Ikaw magsagot kung meron bang online.
Mamaya, eto na ngayon. Makinig po tayo ngayon. Ito yung mga mobile.
Kaya may guest tayo ngayon.
Kaya
go ahead.
Inano ko lang.
Inuunahan natin
Oh, yes. Nako, ito mga mobile educators. Isang balikbayan balikbayani ito. Ito ay CEO ng Click Mobile Education, si Rose Cabrera. At kasama natin si Glenn Ona, ang director ng G-Economic Scholarship. Naku, ito yung dating taghirap ito. Ngayon, naging learned, naging earner na siya ngayon. Talakay natin ang kanilang pinto ng pag-asa. Welcome to our studio, Ma'am Rose, Sir Glenn.
Good afternoon.
Good
afternoon.
Welcome to the program. We're happy you're here.
Salamat po.
Ma'am Rose.
Thank you. Hello.
Ayan. Ngayon.
Magandang balita.
Ayan. Every year, pag dumadating siya, kinukuha ko kagad. Liga, mag-interview. Ito na ngayon. Gumanda na ngayon. Yung Click Me. Click Me. KLIKME. Mobile Education. Ma'am Rose.
Hello. Salamat. Thank you again, Miss Cory and Ricky. I've been here before. So, updates ngayon sa ating, thank you for allowing us to share.
Balikbayan natin yan.
Ganda nung kinikwento nyo kanina, no, yung sa ALS ng Lasal Green Hills.
Yes,
kasi tamang-tama talaga for what we are doing now in Click Me.
Yeah.
On August 3, we'll be launching our second batch ng mga Click Me communities. At ito ay really very, for us, it's not just a program. We are building a movement. We're raising a new generation talaga of a more caring people. Tech, digitally literate, at both, yun yung dalawang thrust ng Click Me. Matulungan ang ang pinaka-thrust natin talaga, matulungan ang mga mahihirap na high school dropouts na Pilipino. And our thrust really is to, one, yung tech literacy, no? Kahit paano matuto silang paano maging active participants in today's digital economy. Kasi napapag-iwanan na talaga tayo. So, at least with Click Me, mabigyan lang sila ng basic training on digital literacy with the life skills. At pwede nang mag-open ng doors sa kanila for further training sa mga cybersecurity, coding, ganyan, digital marketing.
Yes.
So, yung bagong tawag natin, the new Filipino OFW.
Yun. Ano ba yung OFW?
Hindi na siya overseas Filipino worker, online Filipino worker.
Yeah.
No? So you don't have to leave your families behind, di ba? Ang mga OFW natin, heroes natin yan sa nag-carry ng ating economy, no? For the past many decades. Pero gusto natin, the social costs noon, sobrang bigat, no? So at least kung magamit talaga natin yung technology, matrain ng mga tao, kahit nasan ka pang sulok ng Pilipinas. May internet, may Starlink. Oh, by the way, thank you sa Silverde, ha?
Uy, naku, wow.
Silang nag-sponsor ng Starlink sa ating community sa Sulu, sa Patikol.
Thank you.
Yan ang
We're
isa sa
happy
mga
to
pilot.
support.
Yeah.
Kung kailangan nyo pa, ma'am, sabihin mo lang.
Oh, yes! So, sinabi mo yan, ha?
Dabarkad siya si Elon Musk. Ito, yung katabi mo. Si Chairman, dabarkad siya si Elon Musk.
Kasi committee namin ni Emer yun eh.
Yun.
Yung Silverde kasi, meron ding allocation ng funding to help worthy causes. Ang committee, ako at si Emer.
Good as done na pala yan. Hindi kasi, talaga, no? I mean, seriously, no? This Click Me has been like 11 years na to, na being incubated. So, ngayon, we feel very strongly talaga na we have a very solid program. It's a 12-month program helping dropouts, no, to get through their ALS para at least may high school equivalent sila, no, diploma from DepEd, at least matuto silang gumamit ng computer.
Yung diploma sinasabi nyo ay galing
from DepEd.
Sa DepEd.
From DepEd.
So ang Click Me support. We support so they can navigate the requirements, no, for the DepEd A&E. Tapos we have
yung online na sinasabi nyo.
Online yung aming mga training program. So ayan, kanina napakita, no, yung 12 kasi yung 12-month program, 10 sessions yon na 10 months, tigi isang digital literacy. So every month you take one session of digital literacy and one session of life skills training.
At ito naman yung dropout na sinasabi niya. Ito naman, kwento mo naman. Glenn Onya, ngayon, director na namin ng scholarship. Glenn Onya.
Thank you, Tito Emer. So yes po, ako po yung kwento ng programa na ito. Ako po ay taga-Tatalon, Quezon City. Sa tulong po ng programa ng Geekonomics, isa po ang Click Me. Ako po yung magiging patunay na bawat meron pong chance, may pag-asa po sa bawat out-of-school youth, sa bawat marginalized communities na may platform po na pwedeng magamit nila para po maging tulay, maging hagdanan po sa tagumpay po ng kanilang buhay. Ngayon po, bilang paying back, ako po parte ng Click Me sa JLX naman po. Isa pong parte siya nung component po ng Click Me, which is meron po kaming mga kaibigan, kapatid at kaakbay. So ang kaibigan po yung mga peers po namin from abroad, Canada, America, na gusto po.
How are you, Canada?
Yes. Kaya po may interaction po with learners natin na always na out of school youth sa Pilipinas, tapos yung mga sa Amerika, sa Canada. So they interact, share cultures, kwentuhan, and syempre po, katulad po ng sinasabi ni Tita Rose, meron po kaming reinforcement. So meron kaming kaakbay. So ito po yung mga educators na nag-a-assist po sa mga out of school youth namin para po ma-review yung ALS, para makapasa po sila. At the same time, yung kapatid.
Siya pala ang nothing is impossible.
Yes.
Ito.
Ang ating thought for the day, Corey, he is nothing is impossible. Everything possible. You made it possible.
Thank you po. Yes po. So yun po, nandito ako para po ma-inspire yung mga iba na walang hindrance sa pagpangangarap ng mataas po. So ngayon nasa radio station na ako sharing sa stories. So really glad.
At plastic
milyon ang nakikinig sa'yo. Milyon ang nanonood sa'yo.
Totoo nga po.
Kaya batiin
mo yung DCRH, di ba?
Dali. Batiin mo yung mga communities. Nakikinig sila ngayon.
So we're wrapping up. We're wrapping up our 9 pilot communities all over the Philippines. So of course, isa si Tatalon, Santo Domingo, Quezon City, in Payatas, Quezon City, Smoky Mountain, Manila, Pandibulacan, tapos sa Visayas, we have in Tacloban, we have in
tinulungan tayo
Loon.
Ni Mayor.
Yes, Mayor Romualdez.
Kaklase ni Ricky yan.
Yeah. So Loon, Bohol, Sagbayan, Bohol, and then in Mindanao, we have 2 Muslim communities in Sulu and in Zamboanga. Yeah. Napakagandang example ng how Click Me does it, no, yung bayanihan. Ang LGU partnership natin sa Tacloban, si Mayor Romualdez, he provided the Click Me Learning Center. Kasi naman, si Click Me, wala naman tayong pera pang build ng structures. We use existing.
Technology.
So, we find partners, and si Mayor, meron siya ng building na available, pinagamit niya for us for the duration of the program.
Kaya nga, naghahanap tayo ng mga champions ngayon sa bawat komunidad ngayong August 3.
That's what we're launching on August 3.
Pinto ng Pag-asa.
Oo. We really need to raise champions.
Pinto ng Pag-asa? Sige nga.
Sige, tita, go.
So that's our campaign. No? How do we build more Click Me communities? How do we really achieve our goal, no? We want to reach millions kasi over 30 million ng Pilipino drop out ng high school So, paano na, no?
Ilan ang drop out? 30 million?
Over, yeah. Oo. So, napakadami. And tinutulungan natin si DepEd, no? The DepEd has this alternative learning system. Tinutulungan natin sila, suporta. Dinadagdagan natin, no? Yung digital literacy training, tapos yung global learning exchange. Kasi iba yung presence, yung kinokonekta mo sila sa people outside their communities. So, meron kaming partner sa Florida. It's a student association, Filipino Student Association sa University of Florida. And once a month, they join our Chika session. So, for like an hour and a half, they interact with our learners. And it's very inspiring. Very inspiring.
Bakit hindi tayo mag-tap ng task force ng mga LGUs?
Yes.
Kaya nga.
Yes, Miss Cory.
Ng sariling Click Me centers sa
Amen.
mga munisipyo.
Amen. Yan po. Isa yan sa direction ng Click Me, no? We have our partnerships director, si Dino Badilla, as outlined for us a roadmap. 10-part roadmap. Isa doon, build the Bayanihan Coalition with the LGU budget integration. So exactly what Miss Cory said. Ganon. That's how we scale.
Education champions.
Right. That's how you scale.
Yes, we need to. And parang ilan na lang, ito produkto to ng work namin from before pa. We trace our roots from sa Gawad Kalinga, Geconomics. So all this time, 25 years, parang
ito na yung legacy.
Ito kasi madaming learnings, maraming napalpak, 'di ba? Pero hindi naman 'yon palpak na 'di ba? They serve as
Kaya batiin natin si Mayor Tinga, nakikinig, pwedeng. Technology kasi sabi niya.
Mabubuting mayor.
Sabi niya, ang hirap sabi niya, ang hirap kasi magtayo ng structure. Ang ngayon, new technology
lahat
na.
Lahat may telepono Oo, so our training videos can be accessed through the phone. We used, una mag-a-up pa talaga kami, ganyan, wala naman kaming budget. We used the Google Classroom, no? Ang galing ng aming digital literacy training director.
Available.
At saka nakakatuwa kasi bayanihan Bayanihan siya, wala naman kaming mga budget. Imagine yung digital literacy training director namin, taga California. Ano rin siya?
Silicon Valley.
Taga Silicon Valley siya, IT professional siya, napakabait. Siya yung talagang, alam mo yun, so inano niya, kasi nga medyo nagkakaproblema kami dun sa app, ganyan. So ginawan niya ng paraan. And yung learning management system. So I mean, we still want to build like a unifying, a super app, no? Ultimately, it's gonna be a platform for anyone who wants to help the Philippines. But it will take time. It's just right now we're just laying the groundwork.
Nandiyan na si Superman. Ayun, marami tayo. Superman abroad, di ba?
Well, ating Superman dito sa
of course, Ricky is the one.
At least
tutulungan tayo na. Yes.
Alam natin, may internet access na yung ating 25 communities next year, di ba? Mr. Ricky.
Ayun na nga,
Starlink na.
New message
na. Tinetext ko na yung
si Elon Musk.
Magkano ba yan? Magkano yan, Emel? Tinetext ko na yung Mancom
Of course.
Na mag-release ulit ng pondo.
Alam nyo, partners, bakit pa tayo maghihintay kukuha pa tayo ng allocation sa ibang satellite system. Dapat ang Pilipinas ay magkaroon satellite.
Yes, may kakaroon daw tayo, sabi ni Pangulo. Yeah, inaayos nila yung satellite natin, low-lying satellite. Glenn, ano masasabi mo?
Partner, it takes 4 to 6 years to put up a satellite.
Yes.
Tatawagan ko si Elon na magpadala ng mga
dapat sarili natin.
Magpadala ng Starlink sa'yo.
Successful.
Anyway, medyo pull off sila ni Trump ngayon. Kailangan niya ng makahanap na matutulungan. Pero na-shock ako doon sa data na 30 million ang nagda-drop out. And is it an economic problem?
Yes,
or because they need to help and leave school and work? That's a big figure. It's shocking.
Kailangan magtrabaho na kasi yung bata, tama. Marami nung findings. Kaya ang gusto namin, learn to earn. Pinakamadali, digital skills.
Kaya nga nung 2016, kasi nung nag-umpisa ang ClickMe, nung biniring sa amin ni Mayor Tinga that time, 2013, focus talaga lang digital literacy training. But nung 2016, one of our volunteers na educator, sabi niya, you know what? Why don't you focus on the dropouts? Kasi tip of the iceberg lang yung dinidil nyo.
Correct.
So, when he showed us the figures, like you, we were like stunned. Na ganun pala kadami. Kaya, and then, syempre, at saka, hindi naman sa but syempre, ang focus ng DepEd and a lot of the people who want to help informal schooling, yung public schools, which is very important din. Pero, paano na yung nag-drop out? And kung ganun kadami sila, di ba? Parang very disproportionate yung being done. So, that's why we felt that was a focus
kaya
for
naisip
us.
ko, Emer, kagaya ng where we stay, ng mga residents, villages.
Yes, tama.
Maraming kasambahay na if we inform them through the homeowner association.
Yes, tama.
Pwede pala kayong yung inyong staff
sa gabi.
I-enroll nyo dito online.
Yes, sa gabi. Pwede.
Kasi marami namang oras na walang ginagawa eh. You need to say, merong idle time and think possible, the impossible. Diba?
Yes.
Can you imagine how many, sa village mo lang, Korea, ang daming residents na may kasambahay that have been with them for 10 years, 20 years, not knowing na pwede pala siyang maka-avail ng late education kahit man lang makatapos ng high school.
And
maybe that's where kaya mo yan can help promote this
Yes.
Ano ba yung dito para sa mga interesado mag-enroll ngayon din?
Ayan.
Next season kami.
Yeah, right now, I mean, ultimately gusto namin mangyari yung sinasabi ni Ricky kanina, no? But for now, our model is such that it has to be a cluster of at least 100 learners in a community. Kasi yung model ng ClickMe, no, ang package niya for a sponsor, for a champion is 1 million. No, 1 million for 100 learners over a 12-month period. Of that amount, kalahati nun babalik sa learner. No? Kasi why? A big part of our ClickMe is as incentive, learning incentive. Tawag namin agimat. So every time they accomplish a learning milestone over 1 year, so every quarter yan, meron silang matapos na modules, meron silang reward. Ganyan.
Bigas.
And then we really
reward na yun.
Yun nga, nung this pilot, ang ginawa namin bigas, no? Before, parang, namin, bigas, internet load, ganyan, or credit for advanced training. Pero this coming batch, all food na lang. So, basic necessity. Tapos, ang maganda niyan, like yung sa Bohol, no? We have partner with the agriculture cooperative. Kasi, ang thrust ng ClickMe, aside from tech, is sustainable countryside development. So, we really want to help develop the countryside, provide opportunities. So, critical doon na, so yung model of partnership doon, may co-op, sila yung bibilihan ng bigas. No? For quarter 1, bigas. So, di ba kung 500,000 na budget mo for agimats, hindi lang siya pupunta sa Pure Gold, bibili ka ng gift certificate worth 500,000. Hindi. Pupunta siya sa local community, farmers, bibilihan mo ng gulay, bibilihan mo ng bigas.
Yung ARBs ni Sir Conrad. Marami silang produce. Alam mo, we are partnered with Department of Agrarian Reform.
Kasi gusto natin
nag-aanap din si Secretary Conrad nung padadalhan ng produce ng mga agrarian reform beneficiaries.
Yes. Kaya importante, at least for Bohol, we're modeling it kasi yung co-op, like yung isang cluster, nakakuha siya ng 12 carabaos from DA. So, parang what we're trying to do, okay, maybe 1/4 of Agimats will be dairy products, no? Kasi marami pa yon.
Yeah.
So, yung idea, nababalik sa kanila, no? Kesa bibili nila sa Pure Gold ng canned goods, ng mga unhealthy. Ito gulay, ito bigas, ito dairy products, or ito wellness, no? VCO, or yan, Miss Cory, di ba? Yung natural wellness products, kasi sa Bohol, napakaganda nung VCO nila, yung quality ng VCO. So yung
gano'n. Si Miss VCO yan.
Ay, ako din.
Miss VCO.
I just started drinking twice a day, no? Pero yun nga, parang it's a way also of spreading the advocacy of natural healing, 'di ba? Yung ang daming
happy, healthy, natural talaga naman. Kasama natin yan. Sige, gagawa tayong community. Kaya mo yan. Tsaka si Verde, magsasamahin ko dun sa amin.
Manawagan tayo sa DepEd. Dapat meron na silang budget para sa ClickMe.
Amen. Sana yung magdilang anghel kayo, Miss Cory.
We will have an audience with them. Pati yung mga champions.
We're inviting them on August 3.
Si Secretary Sani.
Yes.
Alam mo, kailangan lang siguro iupo natin kung paano makakuha ng kapiranggot doon sa billion.
Yes.
Yung budget
let's have a delegation sa office ni Secretary Sani Angara.
Can you imagine 30 million dropouts? That is a problem staring at the face of any administration.
Kita na tayo doon sa office si Senator Sani.
And we present a viable program that's easily implementable in any municipality.
Ayusin ko yung appointment part.
Diba? Talaga. Palakpakan na si ating wellness queen. Education queen pa talaga ngayon.
Padadala ko sa kanya itong interview natin sa ClickMe para mapanood niya. Ang kagandahan kasi nito, this program is live now.
Yeah.
But we will send you a copy of the live program which you can share. And we will share it with our friends at DepEd.
Yes. And we really need champions kasi yung 10-track natin na strategic directions ng ClickMe. You know, Phil, baka gusto nyong maging champion sa isa doon, you know, whatever your passion is, kung wellness, kung sa government partnership, kung faith partnerships, yung click, basta exciting po eh. And we feel in 10 years talaga will make a difference in the life of our country. If you raise a new generation, digital, at saka ito yung mga mahihirap talaga kasi
matatalino yan, kailangan ng open yan.
So I think it will be, it's very exciting, and we really thank you for your encouraging words, and we'll count on you in the future.
Parting message, Glenn.
Yes, so
imagine si Glenn is the epitome of possible.
Correct po. So, yun po, maraming salamat. Ako po, bilang bahagi po ng programa, hindi lang siya programa, generasyon siya ng pagbabago, empowering people, marginalized, na meron pong tatahakin. Mawala man kami pero may legacy naiiwan na magagamit po nila para po maging tulay din sa kanilang mga pangarap po. And sana po, tulong-tulong po tayo together to make this program, this project works po for our out-of-school youth and marginalized communities.
Anong Facebook account mo iyo? Baka pwedeng sundan ng mga tao para makita ang kwento ng buhay mo.
Kwento po. Sa ClickMe po, ako rin nag-handle ng page. So every po nagpo-post po ako doon. So Facebook po namin is Click Mobile Education. And kung meron mga concerns po, mga questions, you can email us at info@clickme.com.
At
PH, sorry.
ClickMe.ph.
Yes.
Laging Pilipinas. Roy, thank you very much, Ma'am Rose and Kuya Glenn.
Your parting message, Rose. Go ahead.
Well, I really hope, for we believe ClickMe is how we rise as a nation. It's it's not just a dream, it's happening. We have a viable model and we don't have all the answers. We feel with everyone working together, ma-improve pa natin siya. And we can just all come together, please. We are making connections. Parang connector ang ClickMe. Essentially, we're a bridge. We're not trainers. We're not the one doing. TESDA has a lot of trainings. Other organizations do a lot of trainings. But we bridge. Kasi yung talagang ating mga kapatid sa laylayan, talagang walang confidence, walang hope, walang paraan. And that's what ClickMe does. We provide them the capability, the confidence, the hope na pwede pa. and we open the doors for them. So we facilitate meaningful connections. Once a month, 2 hours lang, makichika ka lang sa Zoom, malaking difference na yon. So yun, let us be the presence, the hope, and the love.
Buksan ang pinto ng Pag-asa.
Allow us to be your media partner.
Amen!
And let Liza Rage, kaya mo yan.
Ite-text ko na si Secretary Sani Angara.
Spread the word. And we will bridge you to the world so that your message can be heard even louder. Congratulations to you guys.
Please join us on August 3.
Yes. I'll invite them. Yes. Thank you.
I-post mo yung poster, Emma. I-post natin sa Facebook page.
Yes.
Congratulations to Click Me, guys. God bless you.
God bless you. Okay, great muna. Yes, good luck. Greet muna tayo. Happy birthday, Dars! Kai Casio. Nakikinig.
Oy! Si Kai, birthday.
Of course. Okay. At syempre, mga condolence natin. Captain Rogelio. Odi Messina Narciso. Father ni Cathy. And father-in-law ni Coach Jong with Chico.
Oy, pagaling ka, Raymond.
Raymond, nakikinig ka.
Pagaling ka.
Oy, nandiyan kami sa tabi mo. Nagdadasal kami. And of condolence, Dr. Rudy Gibani. Yan. Ma'am Cory.
Wala, yun lang. Happy birthday para sa akin sa lahat ng mga may birthday ngayon.
Uy, yung galing sir.
Binabati ko lang si Governor Anthony De Rosario. Kasama ko lang sa Davao.
Uy.
At meron kami mga projects sa Muslim areas na kagaya ng Click Me, baka madala din natin doon sa ibang area ng barn.
Oy, congratulations po. Yes, talaga nga.
Alright, Emer?
Yes.
Pupuntaan mo na kami ng Pilipinas sa Davao.
Kailan?
Magpunta proyekto with Governor.
Ay, sabihin mo sa akin kailan. Sasama ka lang.
Finally, sana mag-sponsor si Fred Houston sa kaya mo yan.
Kahit mga 3 silya lang.
Ayan, okay. Para raffle natin sa mga champions yan. Yes.
Okay, Emer.
Huwag niyong kalilimutan tuwing Sabado alas 4. Sabado 4 to 5 p.m.
Programa.
Kaya mo yan.
Bye.
God bless.
Happy weekend.